As I get ready to head to the VRMA conference in just a few days, I want to take a moment to share my heartfelt concern for the communities in Florida that have been affected by the recent hurricanes, particularly in the Big Bend and Tampa Bay areas. These regions are homes to millions of people, and the impact of Hurricane Helen and Hurricane Milton has been significant and devastating for many families. Having lived in the Caribbean myself and experienced the aftermath of a hurricane that struck my family home, I truly understand how challenging the situation can be. While my circumstances were a bit different, my family home had been turned into a vacation rental, so it wasn't my primary residence. The emotional toll of seeing a place you love damaged is something that resonates deeply. I know many of you are facing the heartbreaking reality of losing your homes or seeing your properties severely impacted. Florida is renowned not only for its stunning beaches and vibrant culture, but also as a hot spot for vacation rentals. Vacation rental industry here is incredibly important. The market value of around $20 billion in 2022. This means that alongside homeowners, many vacation rental professionals, both owners and managers, are feeling the effect of the storms. With properties damaged or destroyed, this represents not only an emotional loss, but a significant economic impact, affecting jobs and livelihoods throughout the state. While it's a tough time, I have unwavering faith in the resilience of these communities. The US is strong and will rebuild. As I reflect on these challenges while preparing for the conference, I want you to know that my thoughts are with everyone affected. Thank you for taking the time to listen. I look forward to connecting with many of you at VRMA and discussing how we can move forward together.